Home price growth has slowed, reflecting a year-over-year decline for the first time in years, with only the Maryland Eastern Shore and the Maryland Mountain regions rising. It's Friday, January 23rd, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. With rates being a full percentage point lower than this time last year, more buyer activity is happening. Now, pending snowstorms may slow down some buyer activity while the areas hit the hardest dig out, but there is optimism. Overall, new resale inventory, this report rose to 2,002 units for sale at a median $399,900. Coming soon properties fell to 993 at a median $449,000. New contracts rose 30% this report to 1,586 and a median list price of $424,210. And days before contract dipped to 41 days. 919 units sold in 32 days at 97.9% list to sold ratio and at a $402,600 median sold price. Rental units dipped to 3,750 units available at $2,500 median per month. Got questions about your specific real estate circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next week. Take care.